युनिट टेस्ट सेकंडचा टाइम टेबल आले का हो?
मॅथचं फक्त आलं मॅडम.
मॅथचे फक्त आले, बाकीच्या सब्जेक्टचे नाही ना?
नाही.
ओके. मॅथचे 2 चॅप्टर कंप्लीट झाले काय?
येस मॅम.
ग्राफिक्सचे?
फर्स्टच चालू आहे अजून.
होय. आणि अजून बाकीच्या सब्जेक्टचे?
फिजिक्सचे 3 झाले.
Okay, our last point was what? Magnetic flux. Last
Yes.
point कुठला होता? What is magnetic flux? Anyone?
The total number of lines of force in any particular magnetic field is called as magnetic.
What is the unit?
Weber.
And 1 Weber it is equal to?
10 raised to 8 line of force.
Okay, we have completed magnetic flux. After that magnetic circuit म्हणजे काय? अनिकेत? अनिकेत मोरे?
येस मॅम.
मॅग्नेटिक सर्किट म्हणजे काय? शुभम? शुभम? रोल नंबर 52. रोल नंबर 50. सुजल? आकांक्षा? 36.
Yes, ma'am.
मॅग्नेटिक सर्किट म्हणजे काय?
The path followed by magnetic flux is called as magnetic circuit.
Yes, the closed path followed by magnetic flux is nothing but it is called as the magnetic circuit. शुभम, अनिकेत, सुजल आहेत का नाही?
येस मॅम आहे.
शुभम, सुजल, हर्षद? रोल नंबर 16. Okay. Roll number 50, 52 and 16. Okay. So next point is nothing but we have seen magnetic flux and magnetic circuit. So tell your friends to join fast. Still 36 students are there. Please join fast for the lecture so that I can continue fast. Okay, now next part that we are going to see, that is nothing but anyone you can tell me properties of magnetic lines of force कुठल्या कुठल्या आहेत. 5 प्रॉपर्टी आपण बघितल्या होत्या. अजून मुलं जॉईन होत आहेत, तोपर्यंत आपण बघूया. What is the first property of magnetic lines of force?
Magnetic field lines emerge from the North Pole, terminate at the South Pole.
Terminate at South Pole. Second,
The direction of field lines inside the magnet is from South Pole to the North Pole.
yes. Third,
Magnetic lines
बोला.
do not intersect with each other as they are parallel.
Yes. Fourth,
Magnetic line of force always take least reductance opposition path.
magnetic lines of force always take the path of least reluctance or low opposition. अपर्णा लोकरे आहेत का? अपर्णा लोकरे, श्वेता जाधव,
येस मॅम.
कोण? श्वेता जाधव का? अपर्णा लोकरे?
श्वेता जाधव.
श्वेता जाधव. चौथी प्रॉपर्टी काय हो मॅग्नेटिक लाइन्स ऑफ फोर्स ची? What is the fourth property?
Magnetic lines of force always take least reductance path.
Okay. पाचवी, पल्लवी बचुते. पल्लवी,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
प्रॉपर्टी काय?
Parallel lines of force acting in one direction repel one another.
Yes, parallel lines of forces acting in one direction repel one another. So this we have seen. Now next point, magnetic flux. We have taken the total number of magnetic lines of forces in a particular magnetic field. It is called magnetic flux. Unit is Weber, and 1 Weber it is equal to 10⁸ magnetic lines of forces. And the closed path followed by that magnetic flux is nothing but it is called as a magnetic circuit. Now next point that we are going to see, it is nothing but magnetic flux density. Which is denoted by capital B. Which is denoted by capital B. So what is that magnetic flux density? It is the flux per unit area. Flux per unit area, but that area it is in a plane. It is in a plane at a right angle to the flux direction. To the flux direction, or you can say to the flux or flux direction. Okay, to the flux or to the flux direction. Now see, what is this? First of all, I will draw the figure so you can understand. Suppose this is a x and y axis, and this is a plane. In that I have taken the plane of the coil. This is a coil. It is a rectangular coil. A rectangular coil, a rectangular wire है म्हणू शकता coil. A rectangular coil is there. So this is the coil, and it is making a right angle 90° with the it is a coil, and the flux passing through the coil, it is in this direction. Flux direction here. As the current passes through the coil, what is that? The flux is produced, and the flux direction it is from here to left to right. Okay, and this is the plane of the coil which is making at a right angle to the flux direction. हा त्या flux direction ला किती angle करतोय? 90° करतो आहे. So this is the flux direction. This is a rectangular coil. Okay, rectangular coil. So what is magnetic flux density, capital B? It is nothing but it is the flux इट इज द फ्लक्स पर युनिट एरिया. फ्लक्स किती पास होतो आहे, फ्लक्स किती पास होतो आहे पर युनिट एरिया. तो एरिया कुठं आहे, इट इज इन द प्लेन, या प्लेन मध्ये तो एरिया आहे. इट इज इन अ प्लेन which is making a right angle to the direction of flux, which is making a right angle to the direction of flux. So that flux per unit area in a plane at a right angle to the flux, it is nothing but it is called as the magnetic flux density. So what is its formula? We can see that is formula आपण कसं लिहिणार आहे. B म्हणजेच काय आहे, B मॅग्नेटिक फ्लक्स डेन्सिटी म्हणजे फ्लक्स आहे केवढा पास होतो आहे पर युनिट एरिया मध्ये, पर युनिट एरिया. आणि तो एरिया शुड बी इन अ प्लेन विच विल मेक अन राईट अँगल टू द फ्लक्स डायरेक्शन. फ्लक्सची डायरेक्शन लेफ्ट कडून राईट कडे आहे, त्या प्लेन आयकाने कसं करणार आहे, राईट अँगल करणार आहे टू द फ्लक्स डायरेक्शन. दॅट टाइम हाऊ मच अमाउंट ऑफ फ्लक्स विल पास थ्रू दॅट एरिया पर युनिट एरिया, and that area should be in a plane which will make an right angle to the flux direction. So that phi divided by A, it is nothing but it is called as the magnetic flux density. It is nothing but it is called as the magnetic flux density. So phi unit is, that is nothing but Weber, and area unit is meter square. So Weber per meter square, it is nothing but the unit of what, B. Unit of B, it is nothing but Weber per meter square, or it is also called as Tesla. It is also called as what, Tesla. लक्षात आलेलं आहे का काय आहे. What is magnetic flux density? It is the flux. It is the flux per unit area. Per unit area, amount of flux passing through per unit area in a plane. In a plane, which will make an right angle to the flux direction. To the flux, how much amount of flux it is passing through this area, per unit area, in a plane which is making an right angle to the flux direction. That much amount of flux per unit area, it is nothing but it is called as the magnetic flux density. Unit is, pi unit is Weber and area unit is Weber meter square. So Weber per meter square is the unit, and it is also called as what, Weber per meter square. It is also called as what, Tesla. आलं का लक्षात? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this much point you can write down. So write down magnetic flux density capital B. It is the flux per unit area in a plane at a right angle to the flux direction. To the flux लिहू शकता फक्त किंवा डायरेक्शन ब्रॅकेट मध्ये द्या. Full stop. So you can draw this figure. Draw y-axis and x-axis and take a plane which will make a right angle 90 degree and show the dotted lines from left to right. That will be the flux direction. And this is the plane of the coil. This is a coil, rectangular coil. And after this you can write, that is B, it is equal to phi divided by A. Unit of B is, unit of B, capital B is Weber per meter square. Weber per meter square, or it is called Tesla. T-E-S-L-A, Tesla. Finish? झालं का लिहून? Can I go for the next point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the next definition. Next definition is magneto motive force, that is MMF, denoted by MMF or capital F, denoted by MMF or capital F. So what is this? See, magnetomotive force, it is nothing but it is the force. It is the force which will set up the flux in the magnetic circuit. ज्यामुळे फ्लक्स तयार झालेला आहे, ज्या फोर्समुळे फ्लक्स हा सेटअप झालेला आहे मॅग्नेटिक सर्किट मध्ये, तो फोर्स म्हणजे आपण काय म्हणतो आहे एमएमएफ. जसं इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट मध्ये ईएमएफ म्हणजेच व्होल्टेज असतं आहे, इलेक्ट्रोमोटिव्ह फोर्स. इट इज द फोर्स बॅटरी व्होल्टेज, इट इज द व्होल्टेज और द बॅटरी व्होल्टेज और द बॅटरी विच विल प्रोड्यूस द करंट, विच विल सेटअप द करंट इन द सर्किट. त्याप्रमाणेच मॅग्नेटिक सर्किट मध्ये एमएमएफ हा फोर्स असतो, तो सेटअप काय करतो आहे मॅग्नेटिक फ्लक्स, दॅट इज फाय, which will set up what magnetic flux, that is nothing but phi. So it is the force that will set up the magnetic flux in the magnetic circuit, or it is also given by the formula. It is given by the formula, it is nothing but it is the product of, it is the product of number of turns of the coil, number of turns of the coil, and number of turns of the coil and the current which is passing through the coil. Number of turns of the coil and the current, capital I. So what is it? Is the product of current and the number of turns of the coil. So you will get MMF. It is equal to number of turns of the coil, which I will denote by N, and current which is passing through that, it is I am going to denote by I. So it is the product of number of turns of the coil and the current which is passing through the coil. So number of turns of the coil and the current which is passing through the coil, that product, it is nothing but the force will generate, and that force, it is nothing but it is called as the MMF, that will set up the flux in the circuit. That will set up the flux in the circuit. So what is that definition? It is the force which will set up, that set up a magnetic flux, that set up magnetic flux in a magnetic circuit. Or it is the product of number of turns of the coil and the current, that is N into I. As it is a product of number of turns into coil, its unit is that is current unit is ampere turn, ampere turns, or it is also called as only ampere, ignoring the turns. It is the called as ampere. So what is the force? Magnetomotive force. मॅग्नेटिक सर्किट मध्ये जो काय फोर्स आहे त्यामुळे सेटअप कोण होतो आहे, फ्लक्स सेटअप होतो आहे, मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड सेटअप होती आहे. तो जो फोर्स आहे त्याला आपण काय म्हणतोय मॅग्नेटोमोटिव्ह फोर्स आहे. मॅग्नेटोमोटिव्ह फोर्सचा फॉर्म्युला काय आहे? प्रोडक्ट ऑफ नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स ऑफ द कॉइल, दॅट इज N into I, that is the current flowing through the coil. So N into I will generate the MMF that will set up the flux in the circuit. So its unit is ampere turn, or it is also simply ampere. अलग अलग लक्षात? Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Write down. Its unit is magnetomotive force. It is the force. It is the force that will set up the magnetic flux. That set up the magnetic flux in a magnetic circuit. Or it is the product of number of turns of the coil, number of turns of the coil, and the current. That is MMF, it is equal to N into I. And its unit is ampere turn or ampere. Our next point is magnetic field strength. What do you mean by magnetic field strength? Next point, magnetic field strength, or it is also called as magnetic field intensity. Magnetic field intensity. किंवा त्याला अजून एक शब्द आहे, त्याला अजून काहीतरी म्हणतात, डेफिनेशन त्याची अजून आहे, दॅट इज magnetizing force. Magnetizing force. Okay, so there are three names. First is magnetic field strength. त्याला काय म्हणतात? Magnetizing force किंवा magnetic field intensity. Magnetic field intensity. What is now this that you are going to see? So what is the formula for that, or magnetic field strength? Magnetic field strength is nothing but it is the ratio of, which is denoted by capital H, which is denoted by capital H, and it is the ratio of MMF, that is magnetomotive force, per unit length of flux path. Unit length of flux path. It is the ratio of MMF, magnetomotive force, and due to this force, the flux will get set up, and the flux passes through that unit length. When the flux passes through the unit length, when it passes through the path, and that path it is measured by length in meter. So the MMF divided by length of flux path in meter, that ratio, it is nothing but it is called as what? Magnetizing force, or it is called as magnetic field strength or magnetic field intensity. Ratio of MMF to that of flux per unit length. Okay, MMF divided by length of that flux path. Length of that flux path. Flux कुठल्या पाथनी जातो आहे आणि ते पाथ जे आहे ते मीटर मध्ये. That is nothing but MMF divided by L. Now this MMF, you are going to know what is this formula. MMF, number of turns and the current divided by L. So what is the formula? Number of turns, that is nothing but, you know, it is ampere turns divided by meter, or it is also called as ampere per meter. Its unit is ampere turn per meter, or it is ampere per meter. Now, if suppose this is a figure, this is my circular shape, ring is there, circular ring is there, and I am winding the coil. Who is there? कोण आहे?
सॉरी मॅम, ते माईक चेक करत होते, ते खराब झालं होतं.
काय?
काय नाही मॅम.
Okay, suppose I consider the ring. This is a ring, magnetic ring, and it is, what I am doing, I am taking a coil and I am wounding that coil around that ring, and I am passing the current through this coil. Suppose this coil, it is having the number of turns, that is N turns. Okay, N turns. The coil is having N turns. number of turns into I, number of turns into I, what is produced? MMF is produced. N into I, MMF, force तयार होतो आहे. आणि या फोर्स मुळे MMF काय करतोय? सेटअप करतोय फ्लक्स. Flux is nothing but magnetic lines of forces. So here in this ring dotted I am going to show that is magnetic lines of force will be there. Magnetic lines will be there. And total number of magnetic lines of forces in a particular magnetic field, it is denoted by phi. So magnetic lines of force will be there in this circular ring, and the total number of magnetic lines of forces, it is denoted by phi. So N into I, MMF will produce and it will set up the flux. That is nothing but number of magnetic lines will be there in that particular field. As this is a circular field, तुमचं फील्ड कसं आहे? हे सर्क्युलर आहे. मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड जे आहे ते सर्क्युलर आहे. त्यामुळे तुमचा हा फॉर्म्युला चेंज होणार आहे. इफ द फील्ड इज सर्क्युलर, इफ माय मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड इज सर्क्युलर, then H, it is going to change. H will have the formula that is MMF divided by what will be the length? Length it is in meter. If it is a rectangular coil, जर कॉइल तुमची रेक्टँग्युलर असेल तर तुमची लेंथ असणार आहे L. Coil, if it is rectangular, the coil, if it is rectangle, here the flux will be there, flux path, and that time whatever the flux path will be there, it will be in meter, length in meter. But now this magnetic field is circular. If it is circular, this L will get changed to what? That is the circumference of the ring, and that is nothing but 2 pi r. That is 2 pi r. So that time, if see that what is your field, magnetic field, if it is circular, MMF divided by 2 pi r will be the formula for H. And if the field is rectangular or the square, then your flux path will be nothing but it will be length in meter. N into I divided by L. That is MMF divided by length in meter. आलं का लक्षात? Okay with this? हो का नाही?
Yes,
So what is magnetic field strength or magnetizing force or magnetic field intensity? Once again I will describe. It is the ratio of MMF. It is the ratio of magnetomotive force per unit length of flux path. Per unit length of flux path. MMF जेव्हा प्रोड्यूस होणार आहे त्यावेळेस फ्लक्स सेटअप होणार आहे आणि तो फ्लक्स पर युनिट लेंथ पाथ ट्रॅव्हल होणार आहे. दॅट रेशो इट विल बी नथिंग बट मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड स्ट्रेंथ और फील्ड इंटेन्सिटी और मॅग्नेटायझिंग फोर्स. सो यू विल गेट द युनिट N into I divided by L, that is nothing but ampere turns per meter, or it is also simply called ampere per meter. Its unit. But if the field is, if it is rectangular or the square, you are going to write in meter, length in meter. But if it is circular field, if it is circular field, that is the coil is bound on this circular ring and the current is passed through it, and number of turns of the coil is N. N into I will get set up what? MMF. And due to that MMF, the flux will get set up in this ring. And as the flux will get set up, flux will pass through this flux path. हा तुमचा फ्लक्स पाथ असणार आहे सर्क्युलर रिंग, and therefore that flux path will be denoted by what? Circumference of that circle, that is 2 pi r. So H it is equal, for circular field the H will be equal to MMF divided by 2 pi r. Okay with this?
yes, ma'am.
Now you can write down whole thing, you can write down. Magnetizing field strength, it is ratio of MMF per unit length of flux path. The ratio of MMF per unit length of flux path, that is H is equal to MMF divided by L. H is equal to N into I divided by L. Its unit is ampere turn per meter or ampere per meter. where small l is the length of flux path in meter. Small l, where small l is the length of flux path in meter. Length of flux path in meter. Full stop. Next line. If the magnetic field strength, if magnetic field is circular, magnetic field is circular, if magnetic field is circular, then H it is equal to MMF divided by 2 pi r. H it is equal to MMF divided by 2 pi r. And you can draw this diagram. Can I rub? Our next point is permeability. 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 What is permeability now? What is permeability? Permeability from the word see. Ability. त्याला दोन शब्द आहेत. Per means permission or you can say permit and ability. Okay, permit and ability means what you can say, the ability of a material. Ability of a material to allow or to permit the flux lines, magnetic lines of forces, to allow or to permit the magnetic lines of forces through it. It is nothing but it is called as the permeability. Ability material ची किती आहे, तो अलाउ करतो आहे का नाही फ्लक्स लाइन्स त्याच्यामधनं मॅग्नेटिक लाइन्स ऑफ फोर्स अलाउ करतो आहे का, परमिट करतो आहे, ती ॲबिलिटी म्हणजे काय म्हणतो आपण, परमेबिलिटी म्हणतो आहे. ability of the material to permit or to allow the magnetic lines of forces or the flux lines to pass through it. It is nothing but it is called as what, permeability. मग आता permeability, if the material allows, जर मटेरियल अलाउ करता आहे फ्लक्स लाइन्स टू पास थ्रू इट इझिली जर तो अलाउ करत असेल, पास करत असेल मॅग्नेटिक लाइन्स ऑफ फ्लक्सेस टू पास थ्रू इट इझिली, त्या मटेरियलला आपण काय म्हणू शकतो, हाय परमेबिलिटी आहे. मग कुठल्या हाय परमेबिलिटीचे मटेरियल आहे, अलाउ करतायत फ्लक्स लाइन्स, ऑल द मॅग्नेटिक मटेरियल अलाउ द फ्लक्स लाइन टू पास थ्रू इट इझिली. That is iron, cobalt, steel. These material are nothing but they are called as what, having high permeability. त्यामध्ये काय आहे, त्या मटेरियलला हाय परमॅबिलिटी आहे, अलाव करतायत फ्लक्स लाईन्स जास्तीत जास्त इझिली. दुसरीकडे लो परमॅबिलिटी मटेरियल म्हणजे काय म्हणू शकता, इफ द मटेरियल डज नॉट अलाव द फ्लक्स लाईन्स टू पास थ्रू इट इझिली, डज नॉट अलाव फ्लक्स लाईन्स इझिली पास होत नाहीत, सच टाइप ऑफ मटेरियल मध्ये काय आहेत, they are having low permeability. So all the non-magnetic material have what? Low permeability, that is rubber, wood, glass. These are having what? Low permeability. लक्षात आलेलं आहे का permeability म्हणजे काय आहे? What is permeability? Anyone? What is that? First word, the ability.
allow
Yes, ability to
to allow flux
कशाची ability आहे, मटेरियलची. हे लक्षात यायला पाहिजे, ability of material to allow or you can say permit flux lines. This ability is nothing but it is called permeability. The ability of material to allow or to permit the flux lines, it is nothing but it is called as the permit. It is called as the permeability. Okay, if the material allows the flux lines, if the material allows the flux lines to pass through it, easily, then that material have high permeability. That material ला आपण काय म्हणू शकतो, त्या मटेरियल ला हाय परमॅबिलिटी आहे. एक्झाम्पल, ऑल मॅग्नेटिक मटेरियल, that is iron, steel, etc. Okay with this? आणि दुसरीकडे काय आहे, if the material does not allow ची तिथे काय येणार, does not allow the flux line to pass through it easily, then that material have low permeability. high च्या ऐवजी low permeability. Example, all instead of magnetic, all non-magnetic material. Example, rubber, wood, glass, whatever it is. Okay, write down. Permeability, the ability of material to allow or permit flux lines through it, comma, it is called permeability. Next line. If the material allows flux lines, if the material allows the flux line to pass through it easily, comma, then that material have high permeability. Example, all magnetic material, that is iron, steel, etc. Next line. If the material, next line ला मी हेच लिहिते आहे, यातच चेंजेस करणार आहे. If the material does not allow the flux line to pass through it easily, then that material have, instead of high, low permeability. Example, all non-magnetic material, all non-magnetic materials. Example, that is rubber, wood, glass, etc. Now again the permeability is having the three parts that we are going to see, and we have used in the first derivations of force. Force मध्ये आपण यूज केलेले आहे म्यू, म्यू नॉट, म्यू आर, ते आपण बघितलेलं आहे. मग ते म्हणजे नक्की काय आहे ते आपण डिटेल मध्ये बघणार आहे. हे लिहून झालं का?
येस मॅम.
Yes, ma'am.
तर आपण अजून तीन हे पार्ट बघणार आहोत परमेबिलिटी मध्ये. सो in the next part of permeability, the first A part will be nothing but it will be absolute permeability. Absolute permeability म्हणजे नक्की काय आहे आणि ते कशाने डिनोट करता आहे? Absolute permeability म्हणजे नक्की काय आहे? It is denoted by mu. It is denoted by mu. Absolute permeability, it is denoted by mu. And what is now that? So it is the ratio of, it is the ratio of magnetic flux density, magnetic flux density. कशाने डिनोट करतो magnetic flux density? कशाने डिनोट करतो?
B ने.
B. Magnetic flux density capital B. Okay. In a particular medium. कुठल्या मीडियम मध्ये? In a particular medium. Particular medium. आणि ब्रॅकेट मध्ये हे particular medium other than vacuum or air. Vacuum or air. It should be a medium, particular medium. कुठला नसायला पाहिजे? व्हॅक्यूम किंवा एअरचा नको असायला पाहिजे. कुठलाही पर्टिक्युलर मीडियम घ्या. ओके. मग त्यावेळेस रेशो कुठला पाहिजे आपला? मॅग्नेटिक फ्लक्स डेन्सिटी टू द मॅग्नेटिक field strength. Field strength denoted by what? Denoted by magnetic field strength denoted by what letter?
H.
H. Yes. It is denoted by H. Magnetic field strength H. So what is the formula? Mu it is equal to magnetic flux density denoted by B and magnetic field strength denoted by H. So mu it is equal to B divided by H. And you will get the formula for B also in terms of mu and H. B it is equal to mu H. So this is the formula for mu. Mu is equal to B divided by H. And this is, we are going to use letter. So I will write down the first equation. आपल्याला यूज करायचं आहे दुसऱ्या ह्याच्यामध्ये पार्ट मध्ये, त्यामुळे मी इथं फर्स्ट इक्वेशन घेते. हा झाला तुमचं काय झालेलं आहे डेफिनेशन ऑब्सोल्यूट परमेबिलिटीची. आपल्याला तीन परमेबिलिटी बघायची आहेत. एक आहे ऑब्सोल्यूट परमेबिलिटी, दुसरी आहे परमेबिलिटी ऑफ फ्री स्पेस और व्हॅक्यूम आणि तिसरी आहे रिलेटिव्ह परमेबिलिटी. त्यापैकी आपण पहिली बघितलेली आहे ऑब्सोल्यूट परमेबिलिटी म्हणजे काय? डिनोटेड बाय म्यू लेटर. इट इज द रेशो ऑफ मॅग्नेटिक फ्लक्स डेन्सिटी इन विच मीडियम? In a particular medium other than free space or vacuum to that of magnetic field strength H. B divided by H, that is nothing but it is called as the mu. Okay, so this is the formula and you can write B is nothing but mu H. This we are going to use while solving the problem also. नेहमी हा प्रॉब्लेम आपण यूज करतो आहे फॉर्म्युला. And I will denote by equation 1 that I am going to use later. So I am going to take this as equation 1. So this is about A part. The B part. Now B part I am going to write. What is that? That is permeability of free space or vacuum. So permeability of free space or vacuum. Free space or vacuum. What is that formula? सो द इथं काय आहे? मीडियम काय? पर्टिक्युलर मीडियम आहे. ते मॅग्नेट कुठे ठेवलेलं आहे? एका पर्टिक्युलर मीडियमला ठेवलेलं आहे. आता हे काय आहे? इफ अ मॅग्नेट इथं पण मॅग्नेट पर्टिक्युलर मीडियमलाच ठेवलेला आहे. इफ अ मॅग्नेट इट इज प्लेस्ड इन air or vacuum, in air or vacuum, in air or vacuum, okay, then the ratio, same ratio is there, then the ratio of magnetic field strength, so magnetic field intensity, that is capital B, to that of magnetic field strength, that is H. It is called permeability of free space or vacuum. Okay, permeability of free space or vacuum. So if a magnet, it is placed in which medium? Air or vacuum? Air or vacuum. Then the ratio of magnetic field intensity, that is B, to that of magnetic field strength H. Then that ratio, it is nothing but it is called as what? Permeability of free space or vacuum. Okay, permeability of free space of vacuum. Free space or vacuum. So it is denoted by what formula? It is denoted by mu naught. It is denoted by mu naught. So your mu naught will be nothing but it will be B naught, because it is in vacuum or air, and divided by H naught. mu naught divided by H naught. So this is the formula for permeability of a free space, and from this you are going to calculate B naught. B naught, it is equal to mu naught into H naught. This is your second expression. Mu naught, it is equal to H naught. 0 I mu naught, mu 0 into H 0. It is nothing but your second equation. Clear with this? Permeability of free space or vacuum. इथं मीडियम कुठला आहे? व्हॅक्यूम और फ्री स्पेस आहे किंवा एअर आहे, आणि त्यावेळेस सेम रेशो मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड स्ट्रेंथ टू दॅट magnetic field intensity to that of magnetic field strength. As it is free space or vacuum, I have denoted by 0 0, not naught. So B naught divided by H naught, it is equal to mu naught. So you will get the formula B naught is nothing but mu naught into H naught. This is the second formula. Clear with this? Permeability of free space and absolute permeability म्हणजे काय? आलं का लक्षात?
Yes, ma'am.
Write down this part. ओ वरचं लिहा पहिलं, नंतर मी खाली दाखवतो. After writing with the absolute permeability mu, go for next part. B part, permeability of free space or vacuum. If a magnet is placed in air or vacuum, comma, then the ratio of same magnetic field strength, magnetic field intensity to that of magnetic field strength, it is called permeability of free space or vacuum. It is called इथं लिहायचं राहिलेलं आहे. It is called permeability of free space or vacuum. Free space or vacuum. That is formula you can write that is mu naught, it is equal to B naught divided by H naught. Make a rectangular box for that and write down B naught, it is equal to mu naught into H naught. This is the second equation. Okay, and now the third part. Now the third part that you are going to write, that is nothing but what? Relative permeability, C part. C part is nothing but, what is that? Relative permeability. Relative permeability. It is denoted by mu r. Subscript मध्ये r आहे. Small r. Mu r. Okay. So what is that? Relative permeability. It is the ratio of, what is that? It is the ratio of flux density. It is the ratio of flux density. But that flux density you are going to measure in which medium? In a particular medium. Particular medium. In a particular medium to that of flux density. दोन्ही पण flux density चे रेशो आहेत, लक्षात घ्या. Flux density in which medium? In free space or vacuum. It is the ratio of flux density in a particular medium to that of flux density in free space or vacuum. Okay, under the influence of same magnetic field strength. Same magnetic field strength. Same magnetic field strength. Okay. So that ratio, it is nothing but, it is called as what? That is, it is called as relative permeability. So it is the ratio of flux density in a particular medium. Flux density particular medium साठी क्या है? Denoted by what? Capital B. In A. Denoted by capital B. And to that of flux density in which medium? In free space or vacuum. So it is denoted by B naught. In free space or vacuum. B naught denote करतोय. Under the influence of same magnetic field strength. म्हणजे field strength particular medium साठी आणि field strength free space or vacuum साठी same आहे. So under the influence of H is equal to H naught. Under the influence of magnetic field strength will be same. For both the cases, magnetic field strength is same. So that time, that ratio, it is nothing but it is called as the relative permeability mu r. So you got the formula mu r, it is equal to B divided by B naught. Okay. But from first equation, what is B? B म्हणजेच काय first equation नी? mu h. आणि B naught काय आहे second equation नी? Mu naught into H naught. Mu naught into H naught. But we have seen in the definition, under the influence of same magnetic field strength in a particular medium आणि free space मध्ये field strength काय आहे? Same आहे. त्यामुळे H आणि H naught हे cancel होतात. So what you will get? Under the influence of same magnetic field strength is there. So this both will get cancelled. So it is mu divided by mu naught. It is equal to mu r. Because what is there? H, it is equal to H naught. Okay, since H is equal to H naught आहे. So this is the formula you got about what? Relative permeability. Relative permeability, it is equal to mu divided by mu naught. And you know, mu it is equal to mu naught into mu r. Mu it is equal to mu naught into mu r. We have used this formula, mu it is equal to mu naught into mu r in the first expression. So mu is equal to mu naught into mu r, where आता मला mu naught ची value सांगा. Mu naught is constant. And what is its value? काय आहे त्याची value? 4 pi into 10 raised to काय 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 and mu r is what is the value? Mu r value is different for different medium. Different for different medium. And it is equal to 1 for which medium?
Air.
Air medium. Which medium? For air medium. Mu r it is equal for air medium. Okay with this? तर हा तुमचा पार्ट आहे म्यूआरच्या रिलेटेड. What is relative permeability? Relative permeability, it is nothing but it is the ratio of flux density in a particular medium to that of flux density in which medium? Free space or vacuum under the influence of same magnetic field strength. H is equal to H naught. So put the formula B divided by B naught. B is mu H, B naught is mu 0 naught H naught. H and H naught will get cancelled because H it is equal to H naught. And you will get mu divided by mu naught. So mu r is nothing but mu divided by mu naught. And what is mu? Mu it is equal to mu naught into mu r. Mu r is 1 for air medium and it is different for different medium. And mu naught is constant and its value is 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 Henry per meter. Clear with this? Okay?
Okay.
Okay, write down.
मॅम
बोला की
डेफिनेशन रिपीट करा ना, ब्लर दिसते.
ब्लर दिसते का? It is the ratio of flux density capital B bracket मध्ये लिहा capital B in a particular medium to that of flux density bracket मध्ये B naught in free space or vacuum under the influence 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 of same magnetic field strength bracket मध्ये लिहा H equal to H naught bracket close. H equal to H naught. And now you can write down this expression. Mu r it is equal to B divided by B naught. It is equal to mu H divided by mu naught into H naught. This H and H naught will get cancelled. So you will get mu r it is equal to mu divided by mu naught. And highlight this with rectangular box. So you got mu it is equal to mu naught into mu r. Its unit is Henry per meter. Mu चा unit काय? Henry per meter. Where mu naught is constant and its value is 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 Henry per meter. 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 Henry per meter. Next line, mu r is different for different value. Mu r is different for different medium. Sorry, mu r is different for different medium. And mu r it is equal to 1. Mu r it is equal to 1 for air medium, AIR, for air medium. Okay, we will stop here. Give me a presenting. Roll number 1. Roll number 1. Absent ka?
Present, ma'am.
Roll number 2.
Present, ma'am.
Roll number
Present.
3. Roll number 3.
Present. Present.
4.
Present, ma'am.
5. Roll number 5. 4 and 5. Roll number 5 is absent. Roll number 6.
Present, ma'am.
7.
Present, ma'am.
8.
Present, ma'am.
9.
Present, ma'am.
10.
Present.
11.
Present, ma'am.
12.
Present, ma'am.
13.
Present, ma'am.
14 is present. 15 is present. 16, 17, 18. Roll number 18. Absent. Roll number 19.
Present, ma'am.
20.
Yes, sir.
21. 21 absent. 22.
Present, ma'am.
23. 23. 24. 24. Absent. 24 is present. 24. Absent. 25.
Yes, ma'am.
26.
Yes, ma'am.
27.
Present, ma'am.
28 is there. 29 is there. 30. 30 आहे, 31 आहे, 32 आहे, 33 आहे, 34 आहे, 35 आहे, 36 आहे, 37. 37.
Madam, 30 present.
Present आहे. 37. 37 absent. 38. 39.
Yes, ma'am.
40.
Present.
41.
Present, ma'am.
42.
Present.
43 आहे. 44. 44 absent. 45.
Present.
46.
Present.
47.
Present.
48. 48. Vaishali. 49.
Present, ma'am.
50. 50 आहे का?
Yes, madam.
51.
Yes, madam.
52.
Present, ma'am.
53.
Present.
53. 53 absent. 54. Aryash. 55.
Hello.
56. 56 आहे. 57. 57. Absent. 58.
Present.
59. 59. Absent. 60.
Yes, ma'am.
61.
Yes, ma'am.
62. Absent. 63. 63. 63 आहे. 64. 64 आहे का? 65.
Present, ma'am.
64 is absent. 65 is present. 66.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see the absent roll number. Roll number 5. 18. 21. 24. 37. 44. 53. 57. 59. 62 and 64. Okay, we'll stop here.